Thonglaubi bom pokhanduna angani hathibagi thodok adubu Imphal West District ki mayang Imphal Assembly Constituency ki manung chana leiba Hobok Chowk ki miyamna yanindu funglukre Hobok Chowk Maitai amadi Maitai Pangal Peace Committee na chinuna Hobok Chowk awang Laikai Public Ground da biyoi kayana saruk yaduna angang aningi mafamda Mairak katuna ikai kumraba utki tungda thodok adubu yanindu funglukuna kolau kiyasu lauki miyam laukiba kolau sing adudi angang anibu tamthina hathiba yaningde Manipur dagi illegal migrant lathokadabani Manipur da NRC hana tawdringaida census tawba yaroi kuki narco terrorist singna chamjaraba angang anibu tamthina hatpa yaningde angang hatpada chenaba sing cherak piu haibana chuma wafam sing yaure Joint Director District Veterinary Office Imphal East Forum Partner Wongpal Social Development Organization and Youth Center Mangalaima BLF amadi Kurai Khairem Lekai GP ka punna kusam maduna nong magyoiba mass anti-rabies vaccination program kam awareness program ngasi Wongpal Mayai Lekai Primary School da pangthokre tuan mafam kaya dagi yumda yokpa hui amadi hangdong kaya poratuna vaccination tauki amaromda brucellosis FMD amadi PPR hairiba hinamasugi matangda awareness program amsu pangthokki